Hello viewers, welcome to the GEM Immigration Information Cell. If you want to get benefit from this video focused properly, pay attention to details and watch the video to the end. Without delaying further, let's listen to Robert and see what he got for us today. Today we're going to talk about best options for immigrants without leaving US and get a green card if you overstay your visa.
Altogether 9 points are presented to explain you about residence in country and green card application. These 9 categories are specified for you to provide ease to those who falls in these categories. Let's see which categories still allow you to have a green card availability and makes you eligible to remain in country. Have you even heard that, now, anybody may continue to live in the country and apply for green card, despite overstayed their visa, they even won't need to bother visiting US Embassy. First one is about asylum seekers. Ones involved in any type of asylum case also have supporting documentation, and accurate facts according to addition are included. This legislation will allow that you may obtain a green card through the asylum application procedure and your spouse and minor children are eligible to participate. Some facts included in this category are, you are a victim of a crime, any terrible experience right here in the United States, etc. 2. You must be a U.S. citizen's first relative, as we say in immigration law. In the immediate relative or first relative term, parents of a U.S. citizen, children under 21 who are not married, and of course, the spouse of the U.S. citizens are included. 3. Trafficking victims comes next. It is the most highly specific section of immigration law that deals with people who have been brought into the country illegally for sex or labor. 4. After receiving permission for EU visa status, a few years later crime victims are qualified to petition for a status adjustment. EU visa has waiver associated with it. If you have a criminal record and immigration contravention or something similar, the EU visa may truly absolve you of that problem. 5. Fourth category is associated with victims of domestic violence. They can apply for a green card there as well. Abuse at the hands of either spouse, American adult child, or a parent is the matter of concern here. Your spouses may be a U.S. citizen or possesses a green card, depending on the situation. But, if you are experienced domestic abuse, it's possible that your abuser does not have legal status in U.S. If abuser is illegal, you will still be able to obtain a green card under the crime victim's visa or U visa. 6. Now, the next category includes abandoned, neglected, or mistreated teens and children. Also, they are permitted to remain in the country and submit a self-petition for a green card. This makes it possible for individuals to obtain a work permit while applying for both a work permit and social security card. They can finally obtain a green card through this method after being approved. 7. Subjected to removal proceeding are also included. If you qualify for adjustment of status and have a relative who petitioned for you and is eligible for a green card, you may do so in court through the judge. In this case, you would avoid having to return home. 8. Moving on, we will talk about people who are eligible to stay here are those who qualify for an amnesty under Section 2451 of their legislation, which states that you can stay here if an I-140 or legal certification application was submitted on your behalf before April 30, 2001. And you have an old family petition or employment petition. This also applies to those of you who had early files dating back to the 1980s. If that is the case, naturally there are more requirements to go to qualify for this program. 9. The cancellation of removal are accepted in immigration court and the judge might grant you a 10-year green card in exchange. Moreover, vowels are covered. With the cancellation of removal procedure, you might sue Domestic Violence and Immigration Court in case of Violence Against Women Act. It's also a terrific opportunity for those of you who have the requirements and have been in the country for a considerable amount of time and have specifically qualified relatives for this application procedure. Therefore, discuss this as well with an immigration lawyer. That's all from my side. Thank you.
From the GEM Immigration Information Cell, this is all the updated stuff for today. Let us know topics of your interest for upcoming videos. If you want help of well-reputed U.S. immigration attorney, who can file any petition on your behalf, you can visit us physically at this address. For virtual appointment and more information, visit our website at www.thegemimmigration.com. Thanks for watching.